welcome back to Toy Box Treasure Hunters. I'm Treasure Hunter Gwen, and today I'm going to be reviewing a Poopsie Unicorn Crush Slime glitter thing. So let's just get right into it. I'm going to open it up. I think I found the slime part of it. Yep. Okay, so I'm going to mix the slime into the bowl first, and then I'm going to add the glitter. It's very sticky. I've never really been into slime all that much, but...
Stop lying to the camera, Gwen! Where did all my contact solution go?
I never used it.
Sure,
That was
Gwen.
Oren and Sam and the neighbors. Okay.
Whatever you say.
Glitter! Everybody's favorite part. I really hope this doesn't get glitter all over the house. What the fuck? I'm so confused. Do I open this?
Well, on the packaging it says you crush it.
Yeah. And I thought it would be the glitter thing that I crushed, but that's plastic. Oh, that's glitter. As I previously stated, it's green, and green is my favorite color, or one of them. Well, there goes my life without glitter.
Glitter bomb!
Okay. There goes my hopes for not getting it everywhere in the house.
At least you didn't get it on the camera.
True. But I got it all over myself. I don't know if I was supposed to crush this part in, but whatever. And now Treasure Hunter Dad is going to lecture me about using the manual.
Let's see. Oh,
So weird.
in a large empty bowl. Open the slime packet and pour the slime into the bowl.
I did that.
Open the horn container and remove the sand horn. In a large bowl filled with water, loosely hold the sand horn underwater for 10 seconds. I can't make this up. Do not crush. Big, bold letters. Ah. That's right. Treasure Hunter Dad likes directions. Treasure Hunter Mom
Doesn't.
Treasure Hunter Mom never even follows recipes when she's cooking. I say, how
Neither
long
do
is
I.
this supposed to be in the oven? And she's like, I swear this is a quote, till it's done.
I don't measure anything.
Treasure Hunter Gwen is in need of a warm water bowl, I think. Let's try to salvage this train wreck.
Do not crush! What happened to that bowl?
How is this a train wreck? I think it worked out great.
You did the one thing the instructions did not tell you to do.
No, yeah, the only thing it said don't do.
You did. Well, then again, in her defense, it says
On
it
the
right
back, it says to crush the horn.
I'm sure at some point you're supposed to crush
Crush
El
the horn.
Horn.
Glitter surprise.
Make sparkle slime. Surprise!
It is everywhere over here.
So let's see. You have large empty bowl where you just kind of mixed everything. Now we have large water bowl. Wait. Remove the sand horn from the water and hold it over the bowl with the slime. Hold the horn away from you over the bowl and crush it with your hands. I wonder, Gwen, why do you think it would say hold it away from you? What shiny pants you have!
You got it like all over the floor
Hey,
too.
we have new green upholstery.
I think it's time to take this and just go ahead and dump it into that, just to see what happens. Completely crush the sand horn with your hands in the bowl with slime. So who knows what's supposed to be happening now?
Not me.
I think you need more glitter.
I
There's
think
some
I
glitter.
lost the glitter on myself.
Oh, I'm sure it'll be fine.
Oh, ew, ew, ew.
Oh, you. Oh, no. Oh, I don't know if that's supposed to be what it's supposed to look like.
This went from reviewing a children's toy to
Just
failing at life.
this feels like something that Treasure Hunter Gwen would do.
It is something Treasure Hunter Gwyn would do because she just did it.
If you're ever wondering why the treasure hunter kids always say to wash your hands,
Here's
that
why.
was kind of a family motto before the Rona. Because of stuff like this.
We
I'm
like
never
getting
gonna get
down and
this
dirty.
out. I'm gonna take like 10 showers and it's never gonna come out. It will never cease to exist.
Maybe
in
it
this
needs more water. I don't know. What do you
You
think?
want to touch it?
Boop.
May I?
Boop.
May
Oh,
I
it's
touch it?
lumpy. It's lumpy?
Ew! 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 Ew!
You made lumpy... Here, let's try this.
I'm sure this is gonna
Let's
be
try
okay.
just smashy, smashy.
Hey, Treasure Hunter
Oopity
Dad.
doopity.
I think you need more glitter.
Yay! I'm just gonna...
Who wants green glitter hair?
I
I'm turning into like a mermaid over here. Like
Sam
the
doesn't
things
even
are,
have hair.
do.
the things are like sticking to me
All right.
like scales.
In case
So,
you guys have
I say we mix it all. Ah! Look, it's lumpy. I don't even know. You couldn't have made lumpy slime if you were trying to. And it's all yours. Here's your glitter booger.
Ew, it's like
You made unicorn snot. A unicorn sneezed in your hand.
In case you guys haven't noticed, this is a new video. This is a new kind.
Treasure Hunter Mom and Treasure Hunter Sam are dying behind the camera.
This
It's like
video is full
warm.
of mistakes.
Like me.
May I feel it again?
Treasure Hunter Sam, get me the green glitter glue that's right there.
No. No, you haven't. Ew, it's lumpy.
Oh, my slime.
Nasty. You put glue in it?
Not yet.
Don't put glue in it.
Not made for that way.
Gwen.
Keep that glue away from y'all.
Give me that glue. You have lost your privileges. Who knew you even had to have privileges to own glue? You have lost your license.
I have a license.
Yes. You have lost your glue using license.
Okay. So, this is just a snot rocket. I will probably throw it at the boys later. And by the boys, I mean Oren and Sam. Or maybe I'll leave it on their pillow.
And then I'm gonna like put my head down and it's like,
It'll be all in your hair.
It's like, tonight you're gonna feel something soft and
Here
Oh!
comes the dragon.
squishy.
He comes.
Wait, why were you in my closet? Cinder! What are you doing with Cinder?
Oh, it feels so good. Oh, bye bye. Dragon.
Hello, Cinder.
Well, what did we learn during this video?
That Treasure Hunter Gwen cannot make slime to save her life.
Oh, I'm sure she could have.
If she read the instructions.
Always look at the instructions.
Or if you want to make really funny videos, never look at the instructions. Until after.
You're like, okay, so what was I supposed to do now?
So we're not supposed to crush
Picking up the glitter.
Okay.
Well,
Oh, this is fun. It's still lumpy.
Stay lumpy. I think it's going to stay lumpy.
forever. Forever. Forever.
Okay. So, this was fun. I hope you guys had fun watching me fail. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below. Don't forget to wash your hands and stay safe. Bye bye!